Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Me Be Unique, and today we're just going to see how to turn on the apps on your Pinterest account on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe and below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to turn on the apps on your mobile phone? For that, first of all, click on the saved option, and here you have to click on the profile picture. It will be on the top if you are using a normal account. This is a business account, and click on the three dot option on the top in the business account and click on the setting option. After clicking on the setting option, you have to click on the option called account management. After clicking on the account management, you have to click on the option called, just have noticed this option called app zone. So just need to turn on the app zone from the Pinterest app. So just tap on this which turn on the app zone. So now your Pinterest app have the sounds by just clicking. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with your super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful and most beautiful day ever.